how to find the original version of Spotify remastered songs. So what we can do in that case is to just head over right here to our search bar and search in here for remastered. So just search in here for the remastered song that you would want. For example, we have in here an album of this from Beatles. We have in here several songs like this Love Me Do, which is already remastered, or this all songs right here. So if you want, you can just head over and click on the artist profile and then just scroll down. And then in here, you can see in here some albums that are remastered as well as some albums that are not yet remastered. So you can click on the see discography and then scroll down. And as you can see, here's one right here that is actually original soundtrack or original album. You can head over and then just listen to those right here if you would want to. So that's how you find original version of Spotify remastered songs. Hope we helped.